guys, this is Brian. We're back here with the FROSTBITE JL. Today we're going to be going over the Rugged Ridge Spartacus HD tire carrier and hinge setup. It's going to be my 2-week review on it. Going to let you know the 3 things I hate or dislike about it, and then we're also going to go over the 3 things I really like about it. And then stay tuned till the end. I'll give you my honest opinion of whether or not I'd buy it again. All right, stay tuned. Well, the first thing I don't like about it, hate's kind of a strong word, but these are going to be the 3 things I do not like about it. First thing is going to be the lack of adjustability. You can't raise it up or down like you can on most tire carriers. It's just a set height. For me, it's okay because I got the backup sensors and I don't want it set it off by that. But yeah, you can't telescope it in or out to make it nice and snug. You can either tilt it forward or back, or you can go in and out horizontal only in 2 locations. It's either super close or really far out. So if you come in and look, mine is not quite touching, so I had to run the energy suspension bump stop there just so it makes contact. So it's not as firm as I would like it. So I would appreciate it if it telescoped, then I could move it in and out and get it nice and snug up against the tire carrier. All right, and the second thing I don't like about it is you come in and look, the hinges on most of these tire carriers are greasable. This one is not. You have no way to get in there and grease it. It is nice and snug right now, but it looked like it was dry from the manufacturer. So for longevity, I'd like it to have the grease fitting on there. And the third thing that I hate or do not like about it is the way it was shipped to me. I got it, it was all kind of loose in the packaging. I had like 3 or 4 empty bags that looked like hardware should have went in them. And then I was missing this camera shield originally. Kind of talked about it in the install video if you want to go back and watch that. But they ended up sending me that out like a couple weeks later. So that was kind of weird way to get it, not having all the parts. And the instructions were a little off too. All the parts numbers were kind of different. So you kind of had to dig through it and kind of piece it together yourself. So I would have liked that to be a little more put together. But that's about it for the things I hate or dislike about it. Now let's go into the 3 things that I love or like about it. All right, so now for the 3 things I love about it. Number 1 is going to be price. This kit comes in at around $500. I got it on sale from Northridge 4x4, got 20% off, so I got it for $400. And then if you buy it now through the end of the year, Rugged Ridge is doing 5% off mail-in rebate. That's the first thing I like about it. Number 2 is going to be the looks of it. I do really like how this looks compared to the old JK version they had. They improved the logo, and then they came in with the 3rd brake light, so that's pretty nice. All right, and the 3rd and final thing that I love about it, or really like about it, is Rugged Ridge's customer service. I had to call them about getting the camera shield and why it was taking so long, because it took about 6 weeks before I even heard anything after I'd purchased it. So the guy on the phone was really nice. He kind of explained to me why they were remaking the part, and they actually went out and dove into the dumpster trying to look for a part for me. So really appreciated that. And then they actually got this out to me within a couple weeks after I called them. So that was really great. All right, so finally, would I buy it again? I'm gonna go with yes. I think overall for the value and for what you get, you get a HD tire carrier and hinge that'll hold up to a 40-inch tire, and then if you do have the backup sensors and you're doing a smaller tire like a 35 or a 37, it does keep those from beeping. And then you're coming in at about half the price of the other guys that are basically the same kind of kit. Yeah, you're gonna get a little better quality and whatnot, but I think for the price, this is definitely a good buy. It helped a lot with a lot of the noise I was getting and the clunking off-road and going over speed bumps and stuff. So I think this is definitely a good product, and I recommend it for you guys. All right, guys, well, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and go ahead and comment down below. I'll make sure to go in and answer any questions. And then make sure to check out the install video. You can see how this goes in and whatnot. And stay tuned. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.